Restoring deleted contacts on Android is a straightforward process that can be accomplished through various methods. To begin, it is essential to understand that when you delete a contact on your Android device, it is not immediately erased from the system. Instead, it is stored in a temporary location, allowing you to recover it if needed. First, check your Google account to see if your contacts are synced. If they are, you can easily restore deleted contacts by visiting the Google Contacts website and selecting the More option. Then Restore Contacts. From here, you can choose the time period from which you want to restore your contacts, and Google will recover any deleted contacts from that time. If your contacts are not synced with Google, you can use the Android device's built-in backup feature. Go to your device's settings. Then select Google, and choose Backup. If you have enabled Contact Backup, you can restore your deleted contacts from the backup data. Another option is to use a third-party app to restore deleted contacts. There are numerous apps available on the Google Play Store that can help you recover deleted contacts, such as Dr. Phone and EasyOS MobiSaver. These apps can scan your device's internal storage and retrieve any deleted contacts. It is crucial to note that restoring deleted contacts through third-party apps may not always be successful, and it is essential to be cautious when using these apps to avoid any potential risks to your device's security. To prevent losing contacts in the future, it is recommended to regularly back up your contacts to Google or another cloud storage service. You can also export your contacts to a CSV file or vCard, which can be easily imported to your device if needed. In conclusion, restoring deleted contacts on Android can be easily accomplished through various methods, including using Google Contacts, the Android backup feature, or third-party apps. By following these steps and taking preventive measures to back up your contacts, you can ensure that your valuable contact information is safe and easily recoverable.